In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your PayPal QR code. This guide will walk you through the process, making it easy for you to accept payments quickly and securely using this handy feature. First, let's understand why you might want a PayPal QR code. These codes are an incredibly efficient way to handle transactions because they allow your customers to pay you by simply scanning the code with their smartphones. No more fumbling for cash or going through the hassle of entering payment details manually. This is particularly useful for small businesses, freelancers, and anyone who appreciates the convenience of fast, contactless payments. Alright, let's dive in. To begin, you need to log in to your PayPal account. Head over to the PayPal website and enter your credentials to access your account. If you're a business account holder, this process is even more streamlined. Once you're logged in, you should be on the main dashboard. Navigate to the More or Tools section depending on your account's version. This is where you'll find all the enhanced features PayPal offers beyond the standard transaction capabilities. Within this section, look for the QR codes option. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to the QR code setup page. Here, you'll find the option to create a new QR code. Click on the Create New QR Code button, and PayPal will guide you through the setup process. You may be asked to specify if this is for personal use, selling goods, or services, as the process might slightly differ based on the use case. PayPal's user-friendly interface makes this incredibly intuitive. If you're selling goods, it might ask for an item description or pricing details. Once you've filled out the necessary information, go ahead and generate your QR code. After hitting the Create button, you'll see your QR code displayed on the screen. This is your unique payment identifier. Now, it isn't enough to just create your QR code, you need to ensure it's accessible to your customers. PayPal allows you to download this code, so go ahead and save it to your device. You can print it out and keep it visible at your point of sale, whether that's a physical booth, an event, or even taped onto a product. You can also share it digitally via email or on social media for easy access by your customers. Before wrapping up, here's a quick tip: make sure your QR code is clear and not obscured by any images or text, as this can affect its scannability. For even easier payment handling, consider displaying your QR code at a visible location for customers to scan as soon as they're ready to pay. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now set up your PayPal QR code, making it easier for customers to pay you without hassle. Remember, embracing such technology not only enhances the payment experience for your customers but also streamlines your business operations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.